G'day, look, this is Len from LPR Toolmakers. I've just got a new product in. We sell a few spline gears, right, for doing splines. And a lot of people, including myself, have issues about trying to identify them, all right? So I brought these spline gauges. They're made in America by Ace Gears. I think they're the only company in the world that sell them. I actually do have them in stock now, so you can buy them directly through us, or you can go to Ash and buy them through them, but the shipping costs you a fortune, so it's up to you. But how these get used, we'll get this spline here. So these shafts could be 1/2 inch in diameter, or they could be 4 inches in diameter or 6 inches, doesn't matter what they are. But you've got to identify what they are. So what we know here for sure is there's 10 gullets, there's 10 splines on this. And these gauges have a range of all different sizes on them. We got 7x14, we got 12x24, we got, what else we got there? We got 6x12, 10x20 and so on. So there's quite a number of them there. And what we do is, I know which one this one here is. You get the one, what you see is as close as you can do to make sure it's right. You put it in the slot here, and then you roll it over. And when it rolls over and it goes straight into the next slot, like that is doing now, you can safely say it is an 8x16 DP cutter. They all have, or spline cut. And they all have a 30-degree pressure angle, or most of them do. There is other ones out there may be special. But unlike gear cutters, all spline cutters will have a, or 99% will have a 30-degree pressure angle. A little bit more metal there from relief so the gear can roll on top of it. All right, so as I said, with the spline cutters, you can identify them by just getting onto your spline and roll it through. And if they mesh up now, if it's incorrect, let's take one of these that's incorrect. It looks like it's going to fit in, but when it goes to the next one, it jams up, right? And so that's why they're really good little item and handy. Once we know what they are, so if it's 8x16, and if I know what size the diameter of the cut of the shaft is, and I know how many teeth it is, or how many gullets it's in, then we have a good chance of being able to get you the right spline cutter, because that's what we do. All right, so hopefully that'll help you. The spline gauges, they come in a beautiful little leather case, and they're a pretty specialised item. Not too many people out there cut splines, but it's good fun. All right, so that's Len from LPR Toolmakers, and you can see them on our website.